So here are the chicken breasts that I took out of the package. You see this first one, 6.5 ounces. That's a good serving size. 10 ounces, it's a little too big. This one's 9.5 ounces, and this big guy in the end, over 11 ounces. So I want to cut down the bigger ones to make them more into portion size. So let me show you how to do that. So to cut the chicken breasts into more even-sized portions, you want to put the thicker side up at the top of your board, and then just take your knife, go about halfway down through the chicken breasts, put your hand on top, and then just slice through. And then you're going to be cutting it into 2 even-sized chicken breasts. So this one was about 10 ounces. So now these are both about 5 ounces each, which is more in line with what a portion is for a recipe.